Hello, nature. It's you best, well, not your best friend, but it's just your friend, Wolf Romans here. Yeah. I see you looking so beautiful, huh? Way beautiful. Yeah. But alright, damn it, I don't know what I like to talk about then, because man, it's so hot. It's so hot, dude. The rail is gonna get worse in July, bro, because it reaches to 100 degrees, dude. Oh my god. OMG, dude. That's like that's terrible, dude. Uh you get it, man. Oh yeah. Just enjoying nature, man. Look at the beautiful flowers. Oh my god. Beautiful flowers. Uh yeah, they're so beautiful. Look at the other flowers right here. They are there used to be the purple parts, but they all died out. There was only now the white parts of the flower. So yeah. Um. So yeah. I didn't know what else to talk about, dude. Other than me enjoying nature, enjoying video games in the indoors. Yeah. Yes. Probably guess that's it, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow, whatever, and I'll see you on the next one.